always look so perfect, I can't help myself. Cancel all my plans to get you by yourself. Doesn't even matter, cause you make me feel better. I don't wanna hang with anybody else.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the MeekFro channel. This video is sponsored by Starr Hair. Today we're unboxing a Brazilian virgin deep kinky curly bob lace front wig by Starr Hair. This is from an Amazon seller. You guys need to check out the links and all the information in the description box if you're interested, okay? This is what the wig was in. It also had a little note to let you know how to take care of your hair right here. How cute. And then on the inside of the box, I found a wig cap. Wow. Also, a little gift. Some earrings. How cute is this? So I'm just opening up the wig right here, showing you guys exactly what it looks like when it comes right out of this little pouch, this cute little pouch that they have together. So right here, I'm just showing you guys up close what the lace and stuff looks like. The lace is a very soft lace we have here. Pretty much, as you can see, you could part anywhere with this lace. You have a total of 4 combs that help attach the wig to your head and adjustable straps. Very big head friendly, if I do say so myself, because I kind of have like a medium big head. According to me, I have a big head. So this is what the wig looks like when I first put it on. Just showing you how it looks. No lace is cut here, as you can see. Just showing you guys that there are baby hairs and the lace is pre-plucked, a natural hairline. That's what the description says, with baby hair. 12 inches. This wig is 12 inches. So right here I have my adhesive wig glue. Letting it dry here, and then once it dries, I'm just applying the wig here. In the description of this wig, it does say that you could wear this without glue. I mean, I just prefer to make it look just a little bit more seamless. Guys, if you want this wig to look completely just blown away seamless, you're gonna want to add a little concealer to your lace. The lace has already been kind of bleached already, but to add that touch, you know, your skin tone touch, you're going to want to add some form of concealer to the lace. One thing about this hair, I could not stop touching it. It was very soft. The curls were pretty tight, so what I did was I just took my fingers and ran my fingers through the curls. It didn't tangle up or anything. No tangling with this hair at all. It's pretty simple to fluff these curls out. If you don't like how big the hair gets, you can just get some product like a form of mousse or, you know, something of that sort, pomade or something like that, to get your curls back, if that makes sense. So, but I'm all about the big hair, you know, that's what I love. And so this hair does get big if you actually put in the effort of pulling the curls out. And I didn't pull them out too much. I wanted some of the curls to stay defined, so this is what it looked like after I got finished running my fingers through it. So yeah, that's pretty much what the wig looks like here. As I've said, you're gonna want to add some concealer to your lace. I didn't do so for myself. I like to show you guys what the wig looks like just put on with minimum styling, you get what I'm saying? So that's that. I want to say thanks to Starr Hair for sponsoring this video. You guys, if you're interested in this wig, you will find all the information in the description box, links and all. Thanks guys so much for watching. Thumbs up this video for me, please. I will see you guys in the next video. Yeah?